In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring bills and autofill your bills using QuickBooks. This powerful tool helps you streamline your financial processes, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks when it comes to managing expenses. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you need to access QuickBooks. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. If you haven't already logged in, do so by entering your credentials. Once you're in QuickBooks, locate the menu option on the homepage. This is your gateway to accessing various functionalities within QuickBooks. Click on Menu and you'll be presented with a list of options. From this menu, look for the Expenses tab and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all your business expenses, providing an organized view of your financial outgoings. After clicking Expenses, you'll see a subcategory labeled Bills. Click on Bills. Here's where you'll initiate the process of creating those recurring bills. Now that you're on the Bills page, you'll want to look for the Add Bill button. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new window where you can input the details of your bill. For those bills that repeat regularly, click on Create Recurring Bill. This feature is incredibly useful for bills like rent or subscription services that you need to pay on a regular basis. Make sure to fill out the details accurately, including the frequency of the bill and the start date. Continue by clicking on the highlighted options as prompted by QuickBooks, which allows you to effectively highlight the transaction details that need attention. Follow any additional prompts on the page to ensure all necessary fields are completed. Once done, click Add Bill to finalize your entry. Now, if you have multiple bills to add, QuickBooks makes it easy with a bulk upload option. Instead of entering them one by one, look for the Upload Multiple Bills button. Clicking this allows you to input several bills at once, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, to make the billing process even more efficient, QuickBooks has an Autofill Multiple Bills option. By clicking on this, QuickBooks will automatically enter repetitive details of bills for you, reducing manual data entry tasks. This feature relies on past data to predict and fill information, so the more you use QuickBooks, the more accurate and tailored to your needs its predictions become. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and automate your billing process in QuickBooks. Remember, getting familiar with these features will save you not only time, but also provide peace of mind knowing your finances are in order. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!